Hi, it's Sharon at BonVie Ideal Protein, Weight Loss, and Nutritional Wellness. We all know we need more vegetables, right? Especially the low glycemic kind. And if you're in our program at BonVie Weight Loss, then you have some pretty good ideas how to get that in and how many cups a day. That's 4 cups of low glycemic vegetables you need. But it can be a real challenge to get in all those vegetables, right? We have to shop, we have to chop, we have to prepare, we have to actually sit down to eat. So here's what I do. I make a Santa Monica green smoothie shake, and it gets me off to a very strong start in the morning. Our dieters love it. It just takes care of a lot of their vegetable requirement during the day. I use a NutriBullet blender because it's fast and easy to clean up. And this whole process only takes like 30 seconds. So let's get started. So I put in 2 to 3 cups of spinach, fresh, frozen. You could use baby kale, whatever herbs, greens that you like that count towards your 4 cups of required low glycemic vegetables during each and every day. It's really good to have this in the morning because it's quick, it's easy, really only takes 20 seconds. Put my spinach in, I put some water and some ice because you want it more of a thin consistency, not gloopy and thick. We use our shakes, of course, the delicious Ideal Protein. I use chocolate today. Cappuccino, vanilla are very popular, wild berry yogurt, lots of different flavors to choose from, but make sure you use a high quality protein shake. Et voila, a nutritious, delicious way to have a vegetable start to your day. If you want more, a lot more, on weight loss and nutritional wellness, press that contact button on our website, BonVie Weight Loss and Nutritional Wellness.